Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and the channel is My Wacky World, and my name is Ramandeep. And today's video is a video in which I'm going to tell you how I bleach my facial hair, like how I bleach my face. Now bleach is something which is very easy and handy to do at home. I do have some facial hair on my face which I really don't like, the side, this thing, and this area, and on the chin area, which I really don't like, as they don't look nice on your face. But somehow I really don't want to shave or something like that, because yeah, it might be good for some people, but for me, I really don't like to do that. So what I do is that I basically bleach my face, and I don't use harsh chemical bleach on my face. The bleach which I use is this Femme Fairness bleach. This is the bleach which I use, and as you can see, okay, this is Femme Fairness bleach, turmeric, and it's a herbal bleach, and this is for sensitive skin. It's written here, I hope you can see that. It's for sensitive skin. As my skin is very sensitive, I really don't want to use any harsh chemicals on my skin, so I use this bleach basically to bleach my facial hair. Now, first things first, whenever you purchase this bleach, do check the expiry date on this, when it is manufactured and when it is going to get expired. Not even not only the bleach thing, but whenever you buy any product, do check. First thing which you have to check is the manufacture date and the expiry date on that. And there's a bell, so just give me 1 second. Alright, so welcome back. So yeah, where were we? Okay, so this is the bleach with which I do bleach on my face. This is 24 gram, and it's for 57 rupees. And the best thing about this bleach is that it is natural and it is ammonia free. I remember when I used to bleach my facial hair, and I used to use the old version of, I don't know whether it is available now in the market or not, the other version of this Femme bleach, and I used to get that itchiness, and there's a kind of rashes on my face which I don't get using this bleach. But whenever you use any new product, you want to use it on your face, first do a patch test. It's written in this as well. I'm going to tell you about this. Okay, so this is the packaging of it, simple packaging, and it says the new Femme Fairness Naturals Turmeric Herbal Cream Bleach is healthy way to fairness. It removes dead cells, suntan, which in turn lightens skin tone. Femme turmeric, now with no ammonia, makes for a gentle, safe, advanced fairness system, specially customized for sensitive skin. It has rejuvenating fragrance that makes the bleaching experience more pleasant. So yes, and this packet comes with this spoon, and as in like we really think how much cream we have to take and how much applicator do we have to take. This is the spoon which comes with this. The bigger spoon is for the cream, and the smaller spoon is for the the powder which we use. And this is the box, and this is the cream container, and this is the activator container. The activator is around 3 grams, and the cream is around 21 grams. This is basically 3-time use for your face and your neck. And yes, then it has this thing also, that is when you apply the bleach, just to check whether the hair has turned golden brown or not. Okay, and it has this booklet also. I'll read some some details for you. Basically it is telling that it is ammonia free turmeric bleach, which is quite healthy for your skin. And it says for the first time user again to do a patch test. Don't use it directly on your face. First do a patch test, and only then you would be able to know whether it might be that it is good for my skin, but it might be that it can irritate your skin, or somehow some ingredients doesn't match your skin. So for that, first do the patch test, and just bring the smaller packet of this. There are two pack of these creams, this cream Fem bleach. One is for 8 grams, that is a one-time use. So if you are using this Fem bleach for the first time, first you can bring the 8-gram pack, just try it, and then go for the 24-gram of pack. Okay, so yes, all such things are written over here, and for the convenience the spoon is given again. And this herbal bleach, it actually comes in 3 variants. One is the turmeric one, the another is the Fem saffron one. If you have fair complexion, a face problem of patchy skin, dark facial hair, then switch to saffron fairness. It lightens facial hair, even out skin tones, and give you healthy fairness for longer. I haven't used this saffron thing because for me this turmeric bleach does the wonders. And next is the Fem pearl bleach, that is for wheatish to dark skin complexion. And if you have wheatish to dark complexion, you can go for Fem pearl complexion bleach cream. And then there is a gold variant. The Fem gold bleach is enriched with gold, real gold, which gives unmatched long-lasting golden glow for those special occasions. So if you want to go for some kind of special occasions, for marriages and events or parties, you can apply the bleach 2 days prior to your party, or 1 day prior to your party. I use this turmeric bleach. I know that this is a very nice bleach, but I would again say, if you would be using this bleach for the first time, just do a patch test. Only after that use this on your face. It might be that it is suitable for my skin. It might be that some of the ingredients can be unsuitable for any of the other skin type. So yeah, that's it, and let's get started with the work. Let's go ahead and do the bleach on my face. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so here I have my container where I will be mixing the bleach. I have the activator, and I have this cream and the spoon. Now I would be taking, let me open this. Okay, this is how the cream looks like. It's yellow in color because it says it has turmeric in this. So I would be taking a spoonful of this bleach, and I would be tapping it so that I could get the correct quantity of it. So this is how the spoonful is, and I would be putting it in the container with my hands, and then would close the cream container. Now I have this activator. I would be opening it up. The ratio is 1:1, so I have taken one big spoon of this cream, and I would be taking the small spoon of activator. I have taken the small spoon of the activator. Yeah, that's it, and now I would be mixing it up. So this is how I would be mixing it up with the brush. And make sure all the particles of activator are completely mixed with the cream before you apply this on your face. So yeah, let's mix and mix it. Alright, welcome back. So mixing of the bleach is done. Now I would be taking this hair band and I would be putting it over my head so that it can avoid, you know, all the hair coming onto your face. And yeah, I have just cleaned my face with the water. That's it. Your face should be clean with the water before you apply this. There shouldn't be any kind of oil or cream on your face before you apply the bleach. So yes, now this is the container and this is the brush. I have given it a nice mix and now I would be applying it all over my face. First I would be applying it on this area because this area needs more of the coverage of the bleach. So yes. You can apply it with your fingers as well. I prefer applying it with the brush. You can apply with your fingers as well if you don't have brush. You have to avoid the eye area. Onto your nose, your forehead, and rest on your neck. It's a very mild bleach. You really don't feel any itchiness when you use this bleach onto your face. So you can see I have applied the maximum on this area of my face here and this area on the chin area where I have many facial hair, and that too dark ones. Alright, so people, it's done. I have applied the bleach on my face. Now we have to wait for 15 minutes and yeah, see you after 15 minutes. Alright people, so it's been 15 minutes now. Now I would be checking whether all the hair has been bleached or not. For that you have this spatula kind of thing. You can just rub it little bit like this and then you can see very well whether the hair has turned has been bleached completely or not. Same goes for hair as well. So I have little darker hair on this side, so I would be, you know, I'll wait for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then I would be removing it with this cotton. I will go ahead and put this cotton in a water, and then I'll squeeze out all the water, and then I would be rubbing, I would be just removing all the bleach from my hair, face, I'm sorry, from my face. So yeah, I'll wait for 2-3 minutes, so see you after 2-3 minutes. Alright people, so welcome back. So I have just removed the bleach from my face, and I am just dabbing, just removing the extra water from my face. I have just removed it with the cotton, the wet cotton, and then I have just washed my face properly with water, and yeah, so yeah, that's it. So here you can see that the area where I wanted the bleach, this area, it's done, and yeah, it's done. Although it has not bleached somehow some of the facial hair on this area, but then they are like really thick black facial hair, which I basically pluck out, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is the look after my face after the bleach. So yes, I really enjoy doing bleach with the Femme herbal bleach, turmeric, the turmeric herbal bleach. It is like very nice bleach. You can also give it a try, but please do follow the rules which are written in a booklet inside the box. They are very important to be followed, and choose the bleach according to your skin type. It might be that for me it's the turmeric bleach which is suitable. It might be that for your skin type some other variant of the bleach would be suitable. So just go through all the variants, and whatever is suitable for your skin, choose it and use it according to your skin type. So yeah, this was the video about the bleach, how I use bleach to bleach my facial hair, and I really love the feeling after this, you know, fairness kind of feeling, and fresh feeling in fact. So yeah, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So till next time, take care, bye.